Welcome to FoxLearn. You can go to the SAP website, then click on the Community tab, then click on the SAP Crystal Reports link to download Crystal Report for the Visual Studio. As you know, SAP Crystal Reports is a business intelligence tool helps in generating reports from SAP as well as non-SAP data sources. Open your Visual Studio, then create a new Windows Forms project. Right-click on your project, then select Add New Item. We will create a simple Crystal report then using the Crystal Report Viewer control to display your report. From the Crystal Report toolbox, drag a text object to your Crystal Report, then enter the text value that you want to display. Drag the Crystal Report Viewer control from Visual Studio toolbox to your Windows Forms, then choose the Crystal Report name for the Crystal Report Viewer control. Thank you for watching this video.